In modern factories, the pursuit of automation and efficiency never comes at the expense of safety. But in high-risk environments like petrochemical plants, power generation facilities, and semiconductor factories, can traditional inspection methods truly be trusted? Traditional inspections rely solely on manual checks and human judgment, leaving too much room for errors and missed critical data, preventing early detection of potential risks. In the age of AI, there's a smarter way forward. Introducing AGA Technology's AI inspection system. With just a mobile device in hand, inspection teams can capture equipment readings in 1 second. One quick scan, and all key data is automatically recognized and recorded, boosting both efficiency and accuracy. This AI-powered process significantly reduces human errors and omissions. All data is instantly uploaded to the control center, allowing managers to receive real-time alerts whenever abnormalities occur. Historical records and comprehensive inspection reports are also just a click away. Now is the time to start your transformation.